So this is Injinoo, and this is where the sea meets Cowal Creek, C-O-W-A-L I think it is. Creek goes up here. I was talking to a few local Aboriginals, council workers, and they recommended this spot for barramundi and mangrove jack, mainly in the river or in the creek, not so much on the seaside. But this is where the boat ramp is. The boat ramp's just up there, and got people fishing here. It doesn't look like high tide, and you got bins, water taps, barbecues here, and a few things for kids to play on. I don't know if it's just kids. It looks like gymnastics, parallel bars, yeah, gymnastics, leg raises. So you can come here and do your exercise. What a sit-ups, what a brilliant spot to come and do exercises. And your multi-bench and box jumps. Never heard of that one. How awesome is that? And then you've got what looks like you can do chin-ups, or yeah, there you go. In training for what's that TV show where they do all this type of stuff? Gorilla bars. Pull-ups, that's the pull-ups one. And what have we got? Balance beam. And step-ups. Well, you could live here and get fit. Barbecue over here. And a bin, tables, chairs. Another bin here, barbecue, tables and chairs. Okay, there's 4 of these, 4 barbecues. Very flash. Let's have a look at the barbecues. Okay, no slot for money, so it looks like they're free. Okay, well done.